Hello everyone. I just wanted to go ahead and cover Google Drive real quick and setting up a Gmail account. This is just my recommendation to having an online storage. I find it the easiest way to share files, and also you get a YouTube account directly from just creating a Gmail account. You get 15 gigs free through Gmail through Google Drive. And you can always upgrade that if you'd like. For like $1 or $2 a month, you get a little bit more. Up to $10, I think you get up to 100 gigs, but 15 gigs should be more than enough to get started. So once you go to google.com, here's the home page. Go ahead and click sign in. Now if you don't already have a Google account, it'll take you directly here to Google sign in with your Google account. And since I don't have one here, I'm going to go to more options and do create account. So go ahead and type in your first name and your last name. Now typically if this is one of your first emails that you're creating, I recommend doing something a little bit more professional, such as your first initial last name or something similar to that. I have one attached to the syllabus, which you can see, and for this one, just because this is a demo, I'm going to do demo and let's just see if that's a Gmail account. I can't use that one. Let's see if that works. Okay, so just for the example, and I'm going to just change this so you know, demo example. I don't plan on using this email for anything, just to show you guys how to use this. So demo example, gdrive.demo example, create a password. Okay, password strength is always important. You don't want anything, since this is I'm just going through filling out all this information. Birthday, this is not my real birthday, and this is all just for this the purpose of this demonstration. I'm not going to put in any of my previous emails that I have. I'm just going to go with this. So once you have an email that is accepted, you have your name, your birthday, gender, mobile phone. This is so in case you forget your password or something like that, you can get a text message or phone call or something sending you some new information to refresh your password, as an example. Now this should be good enough to get started. I'm going to click next, and for this I'm just going to do not now. Data we process when we use Google, it's going to give you this little agreement document, I guess you call it, and obviously if you cancel it doesn't work, so click I agree after you've read it, the terms and conditions typically. Your new email address is gdrive.demoexample@gmail.com. Thanks for creating a Google account. Use it to subscribe on channels on YouTube, video chat for free, I guess you can do, and save favorite places on your maps, etc. So go ahead and click continue. Now, okay, I'll make this my home page later, and just to show you really quickly, if I want to access my Gmail, very simple. Obviously I should only have, if any, email from Google, more than likely Andy from Google. Welcome to Gmail demo. Oh, that's kind of funny. Alright, thank you. So if you're not familiar with any of this, just go ahead follow this little tutorial that they give you explaining what it is. Alright, go to Gmail. Go to my inbox, and account created, choose a theme. It looks like it's giving me a little sort of demo here. You can go ahead and change things. Here we go. Andy from Google. Hi, demo. I'm so glad you decided. So this is your Gmail account. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you the drive. Go to Google Drive. And here, safe storage for all your files. You get 15 gigabytes for free for photos, documents, and more. You can run through this little tutorial. It'll tell you everything you really need to know. Back up your important items. That's what we're doing to save your files online. And you can watch this little demo, but you can do that on your own way. I don't need to play that for you here. So right by default in your drive, they start you out with this getting started. This is a little document they give you. You can do all types of things. Just think of this as like the Windows Explorer or Apple's Finder. You just right click. You can do a new folder. Let me do that a little slower. Right click, new folder. You can upload files. You have Google Docs. If you don't know what Google Docs is, that's like your Word document you can use. Google Sheets, Excel sheets basically. So on and so forth. So there is a ton of benefits for subscribing up to a Google account. Now, I'm just going to do a new folder and call this Google Start Document, just to show you how you can organize, create. And now that I have this, I can go ahead and click and drag and drop that right in here. And when I go in here, I've got my Google Start document inside Getting Started. Now, if I wanted to upload a file, I could just upload a file. You can even upload entire folders. Let's just see. New folder. At the moment, I don't see the option here, but you definitely can. In the meantime, you can just upload files. And the coolest part about sharing files on Google Drive is if you right-click here, and you want to share this file with someone, since it's already uploaded to Google Drive, you don't need to upload it to anywhere else. You don't have to upload it to an email. All you got to do is go to Get Shareable Link. What this does, link copy to, here you go, link sharing is on. Anyone with the link can view. So all you do is just paste this directly into your browser, or whoever you send it to. They just click on the link and they'll have full access to that file. Or if you can do it with a folder, you can share an entire folder if you like. So that is my recommendation for an online storage. If you have another one that you like, feel free to use it. I just recommend this one because it's free. On top of that, you have a YouTube account. Let's do sign in. Since I'm already logged into Google, it should automatically log me in, and there I am. Because I was logged into my Google account, I am now logged into my YouTube account. So if I wanted to upload any videos that I create in my 2D animation class, I can go ahead and just do an upload and upload your video to here. And we cover that in class, in our online course here. So in the future, this YouTube channel will become a little bit more useful when you start creating some more animations, and you can upload them directly to here and start to create some type of portfolio for yourself if you're really into creating animations and film and things like that. So anyway, that's all I've got. And just one more thing, just to show you, if I were to send this to anyone, Let's just go compose. I'm not going to send it to anyone here. I'm just going to put demo files shared. If I paste this, that person now, with whoever I send this link to, will have full access to that folder, and you don't have to upload it again. All I have to do is click send. So anyway, and then also down here, if you want to insert files using Google Drive so you don't have to upload them again to an email, it takes a little bit of time, but if they're already in your Google Drive, you don't have to worry about it. So just an FYI, anyone with this link can now access your files that you share it with, and you get 15 gigs for free, more than enough to get started for this class. In fact, it could be enough for the entire course, and then some, depending on how large and complicated your files get. But that's all I have on Google Drive. I hope you enjoyed this little demo, and if you do have a different storage, online storage that you prefer to use, feel free. This is just a recommendation. So thanks for watching, and I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you very much.